Hey friends, it's Corey with Buying Houses Nashville. I just want to thank you for coming to our website, and I just want to tell you a little bit about who we are so that you can decide if you want to do business with us. We are a Nashville local real estate company. We're not headquartered out of California or New York. We live and work in Nashville. We buy properties with cash, as is, and our goal is just to simplify the house selling process for you so that you don't have to pay realtor commissions. You don't have to deal with picky buyers, showings. You don't have to deal with repairs, inspections. We just want to simplify the process for you. So if you're at a place where you're ready for us to contact you, you can go to the top of the page or the bottom of the page and fill out the form, and we'll get in touch with you today. If you'd like to browse our website a little bit more, learn a little more about who we are as a company, click on our company page and you can see who works here, just learn a little bit more about us. If you'd like to go to our blog or video page, you can see information and content on specific subjects. There's a lot of content on our website, so feel free to browse around. If you'd like to see what other people are saying about us, you can go to our Facebook page, Buying Houses Nashville, or you can Google us and see what people are saying. Most of our clients tell us that we are very easy to work with. Our communication is fantastic, and we always underpromise and overdeliver. Yes, I'm tooting our own horn a little bit, but it is true. So, whatever place you are, we'd love to hear from you, and we love to talk with you. Feel free to reach out to us, call us, text us, and we hope to work with you soon.